Hi everyone, welcome back once again. I hope everyone is doing good. So as you have seen in my thumbnail, we are very much excited to unboxing this parcel. So please don't skip and watch till the end.
Huh? Wow! Learning kit. Learning kit. Say learning kit. Learning kit for whom? For you. Learning kit for you. Let's open. Dan nasito. Hindi pengen bulu lagi bro. Itu tuh si silver bulu lagi bro. Ah, yes. Yes. Itu ba inalaw. Wow. Wow. Itu sabi do. Tayo overexcited kasi. Excited. Wow, see. Your child is a star. It's written here. Your child is a star. Okay. So, we expect about the tabon. This is for activities. Okay. Itu activities ase. Itu be activities puzzle, no? Puzzle activities ase. Itu be. Yes. This is also for puzzle activities. And this is eraser, I think. Itu likina erase kurulila ise. Wait. What is this? What book is this? Oh. Sabi, siya se सब तोलाई ना दिखाऊं ना पर वो मुझे है pictures का ना से this is the building and towers activities map. These are activities map. Good habits. We are going to learn all this, okay? This is
Lacing activity.
and tip banana. Banana. Eat this banana. Eat. Animals. Itu भी puzzle ला से बचाना. अच्छी बाला से. Letters and numbers. Yes, banana and watermelon. And these are flowers and butterflies. It will be giant letter, alphabet letter, big letter last day, big letter. Plant the flowers. This is also activities. Again, patron completions of flowers. Patron completion flower to activities to say to shibala say use this eraser. Take this. What is this? Color the one that is not the same. The color which is not the same. Birds matching game. All these are for my son. This is for you, okay? All these activities, animals or not animals. See, animals or not animals. It will not say. This is fruits and vegetables painting for paintings. And this is shapes. These are the shapes. Wow, amazing. Really amazing. I like. I hope my son will enjoy. No? Jerry? Pre-writing skill. All this. Master Babishri pre-writing skill can hobo. Transportation. These are the transportations. And what is this? Oh, these are the rhymes. Rhymes match the self with its board. These are the rhymes. And last one, stories. These are the stories book. Story book. Sabi, to give back mom share. See, I've shown you everything. I've shown everything. So it's like this. These all are amazing, very amazing. I love so much. I love these books. kit. So now ST learn Prubo. He's going to learn all this one by one. Soon he's going to be 2. So he will learn all this, na? Jerry, say yes. Say yes, mommy. Tai do so learn Prubo de. Aro I will be exciting videos kan I go tai to learn Korean bishidi. Tai kina learn Korean mo apne give update Prubo. Aro dikhai dakibo na. Say bye. Bye to your viewers. So hello, bye bye. Say bye. Bye. Say na. Tai do Prubo tai 2 years na pong chiki na pong chadandi. So complete Prubo say hey. You are going to complete everything, okay? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Put it inside the box one by one. Yes, very good. Put. Again. Trying to class. Say thank you, mommy. For this. Say thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So itu ase tell activities. So he's going to learn everything. Tapi dia do kita kuna pare biso buchishem. Dom home practice thakibul lagi. Parents can be ini gorba para tak train dibul lagi na. So that dance school jala time dido at least easy hubo tan namitido. Tapi dia do 1.5 ushe. So tai dia do itu one by one itu sob learn kurgul dibo aro tai ki learn kurshe arbi apnengi update kuri thakibo. So video to skip nukurina side dibi kuina jonai dia side. So tai bibi she kusha say so excited. 1 2 3